Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the glove box on a Ford Focus. This one is a 2012 model, but it will be the same from 2012 all the way into 2015. So what you need to do first, you need to get a flathead screwdriver and you need to remove this lid right here by going like that. Right here, there is a few clips. Okay, and once you pry a little bit with the screwdriver, get your fingers underneath it and pull, and then it comes like that. You don't need to remove it, but it will be more convenient if you do so. It just comes out of an angle like that because it goes under the seal, and that's where the clips are located. If you need to see them, okay, 1, 2, 3 right here and 2 more on the top. And now we need to use a T25. You see that start looking bit, and right here, okay, that's the glove box. Right here there is one screw that we need to remove, and you need to unscrew the whole thing. Just pull it out of there completely. Okay, this is the screw now right here, and now we have 2 more that we need to remove. Okay, this is the glove box open so you can see better perspective. One is right here and one right there. Again, it's with the same bit, T25. Okay, see, it fits perfect. Okay, we got them loose, so you need to take them off all the way. Okay, that's one. So all together right now we have removed, this is the 3rd screw, 3 screws so far, and we have 2 more that we need to remove after that. You need to close the glove box like that, and this will be the more inconvenient now. And now you need to go all the way under the glove box, and this is very limited room right here, and you have those 2 plastic holders right here, so you need to squeeze in right here and pull out. Okay, squeeze and pull, and you have this one as well on this side. Okay, again the same procedure, and you pull out, and now you'll be able to remove that, okay, that cover right here. Okay guys, and now we have 2 more, very inconvenient. Okay, let me see what I can do to show you the best way I can. Okay guys, and right here now, okay, let me show you exactly where it is located. Okay, you go underneath, and now right there, okay, see where the light is? Okay, the light behind it, right here, there is one more screw that we need to remove. This one right here. Okay, hopefully you saw it good. Okay, this one, and then you need to go right here in the corner, okay, in the footwell, in the corner, and right here, this screw you need to remove. You'll be able to locate it easy. Okay, so these 2 screws now we need to take them off. Okay, now you need to open the glove box, and right here you need to pull on the side, and after that you need to pull a little bit more. Okay, and you need to get your fingers underneath it right here, and you need to pull this one down until you hear it clicking like that. Okay, it did. So you need to make sure that this one is off. Right here there is a few clips, and now you can close it, and you need to pull more like that. There is one clip on this side, and once you make sure that there is no more clips, it will come out of there. Okay, make sure that you grab it here again. Just be gentle because it's very fragile here. Okay, now you can just go ahead and pull it out of there. Okay, this is the whole glove box assembly right here. Okay, you can see the whole thing. It comes with the hinge and the frame and everything. So that's how easy it is to replace it when you know what you're doing. There is 5 screws and there is a few clips. Okay, one is right here as you can see, 2 on the top right here, and 1 right there, and 1 in the corner. So when you pull all those out, the glove box comes out of there with no problem. Okay, thank you guys for watching it. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.